Hello, everyone. We are ready for language today, and we are going to start with our vocabulary word. We are on page 104, and our vocabulary word is number 41. Amplify, amplify, amplify. Definition: make bigger. Sentence: those speakers amplify the sound of the band. Synonym: enlarge, antonym: shrink. Amplify lots of times does have to do with sound, making the sound bigger. Amplifying something means to, well, we've heard amp it up, right? It's the idea of making it bigger, making it louder is to amplify. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do today, I want to review our indirect objects. We've done a couple pages of them. It was our new pattern. We're on pattern 3 now. And so I expect you to still be learning it. So I want to go over the jingle again, and this is going to remind us again of what we are to do. When we see the sentence, we are adding more parts to our sentences, but they're getting more complicated, and we need to keep asking ourselves the questions so that we can break it down. If you ask yourself the question, you're not going to have any problem being able to break these down and figure out what is what and correctly labeling the words. So we're at Jingle 16. Open it up with me and say it with me. And remember, when we see indirect object, we're going to say I-O. When we see direct object, we're going to say D-O, just so that we can say this a little bit faster. Verb transitive is VT. And then we'll be able to say it easier. Okay, ready? And I-O is a noun or a pronoun. And I-O is a noun or a pronoun. And I-O receives what the direct object names. And I-O receives what the direct object names. And I-O is located between the VT and the D-O. And I-O is located between the VT and the D-O. And I-O is located between the VT and the D-O. To find the I-O, ask to whom or for whom after the D-O. To find the I-O, ask to whom or for whom after the D-O. To find the I-O, ask to whom or for whom after the D-O. Good. All right, so that's how we find an I-O. It cannot be in a prepositional phrase though. Okay, we're putting it before the direct object. It's in between the verb and the direct object. So we're going to do 2 together today. And then I want you to do the other 3 on your own. And tomorrow we're going to review those to make sure that you did them correctly. Okay? But we're going to do more than review, so you still need to come back. Okay? Don't say, oh, she's just going to review. I'm going to skip tomorrow. No, I'm going to add more tomorrow. But I do want you to come back, and I want you to know that if you struggle with 2, 4, or 5 today, because we're going to do 1 and 3 together. If you struggle with those other ones, then I want you we're going to go over them tomorrow so you can catch any of your mistakes. Because I would be correcting your mistakes and handing them back to you all the time, and you don't have that right now. So I want to make sure that you're getting these and that you still have me to tell you what you're not getting. Okay? So we're going to do 2 together. I'm going to leave you 3 to do on your own, and then we'll check them tomorrow. The skilled architect built our family a log cabin on the north side of the mountain. Who built our family a log cabin on the north side of the mountain? Architect, subject, noun. What is being said about architect? Remember, say these sentences with me, okay? Don't just copy or you're not going to get it. What is being said about architect? Architect built, verb. Built what? Cabin, verify the noun. Does cabin mean the same thing as architect? No. Cabin, direct object. Built cabin for whom? Family, indirect object. Whose family? Our. possessive pronoun adjective. A, article adjective. What kind of cabin? Log, adjective. On, preposition. On what? Side, object of the preposition. Which side? North, adjective. The, article adjective. Of, preposition. Of what? Mountain, object of the preposition. The, article adjective. What kind of architect? Skilled, adjective. The, article adjective. Subject noun, verb transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Did you catch what I did? I didn't change this to verb transitive. Verb transitive, check again. On the north side, prepositional phrase. Of the mountain, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, now this is number 3. The skilled and gifted musician gave the audience a magnificent performance in the lovely music hall. Who gave the audience a magnificent performance in the lovely music hall? Musician, subject noun. What is being said about musician? Musician gave, verb. Gave what? Didn't give an audience. Gave what? Gave a performance. Verify the noun. Does performance mean the same thing as musician? No. Performance, direct object. Gave performance to whom? Audience. Indirect object. What kind of performance? Magnificent, adjective. A, article adjective. The, article adjective. What kind of musician? Gifted, adjective. And conjunction. What kind of musician? Skilled, adjective. The, article adjective. In, prepositional, preposition. In what? Hall, object of the preposition. What kind of hall? Music, adjective. What kind of hall? Lovely, adjective. The, article adjective. Subject noun, verb, I did it again. Verb transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. You're getting this better than I am, I'm sure. Verb transitive. Let's get it up there. Check again. In the lovely music hall, prepositional phrase, period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, now for your comment today, I want you to look at the vocabulary words we've already talked about and the definitions. So we have, in this last section, we have talked about coax, like if I am persuading someone to do something. I coaxed the puppy to come to me. Okay, vocation, not vacation. Okay, vocation means a job that I would choose to do. My vocation is a teacher. Indicate. Indicate which one is correct. So point it out. Show me. Indicate. Solitary, by myself. I am making my videos in a solitary condition. I am in a solitary room. Fatal, meaning leading, causing death. Okay. We heard on the radio that there was a fatal car accident, meaning that there was a death involved. Abolish means to get rid of. Okay. We abolished slavery. Amplify means to make bigger. Make louder. Okay, amplify, make it bigger. Okay, I wanted to amplify the music, so I turn the volume up. Okay, so choose one word and give me a very good sentence that you have not used before. Okay, choose one and give me a good sentence. Have a good day.